What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Brandon Deck coming to you guys with a brand new video, and today we're doing something that I get asked quite a lot. We're going to be doing a 0 to 60 launch. The only thing I've really done to the car, and a lot of people may know this already, is just an E85 full exhaust system and a tune from Daniel Butler, who works with Honda. So that's what I have here. But I also have my friend Ben over here, who also, we drove over here to Mexico. We're over here in Mexico. Let's go and look at your car. So I don't think you've ever been in the vlogs, right?
No, I don't think
in the videos. So. Okay, so this is his. Name everything you've done to this, like, so far.
Okay, so far I got the K-Tuner V2, the PRL Cobra intake, and that's about it. The D2 dorm springs, and that's it.
Nice, nice. And what wheels are those?
I got the ABS Mono T5s.
Nice, nice. So we're gonna be doing a 0 to 60 launch. This is not a race by any chance. A lot of people ask me this question a lot. By the way, I do have camera in the front, so I feel like I may not get full grip, but we're gonna do it anyways because you guys do ask me a lot. So we're gonna go onto the streets of Mexico.
Let's do it
and get this race going.
Go.
God, this is what I hate about driveways. Alright. I haven't used this thing in a while, and a lot of you guys said you guys like the original wide angle because I did have the super view, so hopefully this does a lot better in terms of everything. There is a bit of sun. I'm trying to block that out for you guys. Maybe not. Maybe that's not gonna work. But yeah, like I said, E85 tuned by Daniel Butler, which is an E-tune off the shelf. So hopefully everything runs good, runs smooth as hell. I am a little nervous. But yeah, I haven't pushed this car since I got it. We're gonna put it in sport mode, turn traction control off, and here we go. I'm gonna take the wide one here. We're gonna go on 3. Ready? All right, 1, 2, 3. Obviously isn't that bad. I mean, I do have Honda, which is on traction control, street, which is actually really helpful. But we're gonna turn around and do it again one more time, and then we'll probably get some outside view too, because you guys probably want some more sound clips. So we'll get the outside going. But this car pulls really hard. A lot of people ask me itself, like, is E85 worth it? Fuck yeah, it is 100% worth it. I think E85 should be done to every car. Every 10 gen car. Oh fuck, I can't make a U-turn here. But a lot of people do ask me, like, is E85 worth it? Like, 100%, I do say get it. I mean, all I'm running is E85 alone, and it just gives me great power. Like I said, he has K-Tuner, he has PRLs, Cobra intake, which I do have that on the way, because a lot of people also ask me that. That is on the way, but I wanted to go E85 first. I thought it was like the #1 thing I should probably do for power. I wanted to get a lot more power out of this car, and I feel like I went ahead and did it. So I'm just having a lot of fun doing it. Oh, there's another 10 gen right there. I'm gonna wave at him. Hola. Yeah. E85 definitely worth it, but if you guys want more power, it's 100% worth it. I say go for it. Question that I feel like I should answer. The car runs very smooth. I don't have any problems with it at all. I do get scared to get on it because I've only heard things about people, you know, bending rods, shooting rods through the motor. I mean, it's all just a scare, but I'm definitely over it now, and we're gonna get a 0 timing here, 0 to 60 timing here, and see how good we can do this. 1, 2, 3. And that's 60 right there. So yeah, this car pulls hella hard. Damn, he just hella rubbed right there. The car runs super smooth. But make a U-turn. Make a U-turn. I mean, the car runs fucking really smooth. Like I said, E85, I do have Honda. There's a big difference when, I mean, there's like a huge debate. Like I said this in my last video, I'm gonna say this video too. There's a huge debate on, like, you know, Honda, K-Tuner. I stick to Honda. I loved it so far. I mean, I'm loving it so far. I haven't had any problems with it. And I don't know. We're gonna probably get one more run here. We'll pull over to the side and we'll kind of go over it. All right, last one. All Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, my thing. And that's 60 right there. So he's like quite a ways behind. He's pulling up right here. Go into the parking lot. I mean, it's really quick. It's way better than stock. I'm completely, watch out for the pliers there. But this car is pretty much bone stock. From all it is, like I said, it's PRL, flex fuel kit, and a full exhaust system from the headers back, or from the turbo back. God damn it. What do you think?
Dude, that shit's fucking quick.
It's
dude.
quick, huh?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, and literally it's like I said, I told them it was like, it's all bone stock. Like it's E85 tune, and that's really all it is.
Damn.
Yeah.
Yeah, that shit's quick as fuck.
Yeah, I'm in like, that's like, I told them that's like the #1 thing I wanted to do,
Uh-huh.
was get like an E85 kit, just because I know the power they can do.
Oh,
And
yeah, dude.
I am hella scared because I feel like I always am gonna blow a rod. But no, hell yeah, it's quick, dude. That feels all good.
That's gonna be my next one.
Yeah, hell yeah. See,
Hell yeah.
convinced already? Hell yeah,
dude, hell yeah.
Yeah, yeah, it's definitely worth it. I wanted to do a flyby. I was like, me no tire. Hope you guys enjoyed the flybys. I mean, this car ultimately is quick. I mean, it's first time riding it right now.
Yeah, hell yeah.
We did a small little pull in Mexico here. But this shit, I mean, it pulls. So if you guys are looking for an E85 tune, definitely say go for it. I mean, E85, definitely say go for it. I mean, I think I got a convinced one already.
Yeah, definitely.
But yeah, definitely worth it. Make sure you guys go give Ben a follow. What is it? Say it.
FC1 Beast
Yes,
on
sir.
Instagram.
It's gonna be right
Yes,
there. Link in description. Go follow him. Go show him some love. Just the homie. That's all he is. Just the homie. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Something small, because I do have 2 parts on the way, which I also am going to talk about. I have 2 parts that are on the way currently that you guys don't know yet, but they're going on soon. I believe they should have at least 1 video out next week, and then the one after that. So 2 mods coming in. So I hope you guys are ready for those, but just something to hold you guys over. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys haven't already. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.
I know why they hating on me, so I switch spots. Never running out of fuel, so fuck a pit stop. I've been ballin' since a youngin', so I take shots. She just